Welcome to the first vlog where I will explain the problem framing and exploration phase of our team EcoTour. With my team, we decided to design a technology that would try to tackle the fast fashion challenge. Our literature review revealed alarming findings. The fast fashion industry contributes to atmospheric and water pollution along with huge amounts of textile waste. This waste comes from both fast fashion production and consumer behavior. Many consumers purchase mass-produced, low-quality clothing and dispose them carelessly. They usually lack the skills, knowledge, or time to care for and repair their clothing. Martin explains how when we develop personal attachment to certain clothes, we commit to prolonging them. The goal, however, is to adopt this approach for every piece of clothing. As MacArthur explains in the concept of a circular economy, all items hold value, and there should be no waste. Lately, there is a growing interest in clothing repair communities, offering hope for positive change. Having this as our trigger point, we worked on the fuzzy front end of the double diamond model of design thinking. We tried to explore which would be the right design question to address and how it is affected by the frame. Son describes how frames shape our beliefs and perspectives, acting as lenses, focusing our attention on specific aspects of complex issues. We targeted higher education students due to the significant lifestyle changes they experience when living independently. They often are for the first time responsible for their clothing. Coming from diverse backgrounds, we discussed the fast fashion choices of higher education students based on our personal experiences and literature. We noticed a common issue related to the lack of clothing repairing skills. Our framing phase was exploratory, leading us to a broad initial design question. To further open our perspectives and challenge our assumptions, we conducted the user research through an elicitation study. According to Carter, in elicitation studies, participants use diaries to document everyday life moments using various media, and they are then interviewed on these diaries. For our research, we recruited a sample of 6 higher education students, male, female, and non-binary, aged 25 to 35. The diaries we used were a bit different, capturing only one specific situation. Through a mirror board, participants were instructed to look in their closets, take a photo of their favorite piece of clothing, and answer some short questions. After reviewing their responses as a team, we interviewed the participants to understand their relationship with fashion. We formed personalized interview questions, and we used the diaries as discussion points. They provided us valuable insights for the repairing skills and approaches to washing, repairing, and upcycling clothes. Overall, our findings aligned with existing literature that many young people lack clothing repair skills. However, contrary to claims that young people are uninterested to fashion sustainability, participants showed willingness to learn or seek expert help to repair their clothes. As Patton suggests, our study confirmed some of our initial directions of our frame, but also revealed new directions for our design. The most important discovery is that higher education students may lack knowledge, but they are willing to learn and repair their clothes instead of disposing them. Yet, despite these positive attitudes, they take limited actions. The insights from the user research led us to a more educative objective and a new design question. How can we provide higher education students with the tools and knowledge to participate in the prolonged stage of the circular economy for their clothing choices? With this new direction in mind, we moved on to the ideation phase, as I will discuss in the next vlog. Stay tuned!